Hello guys, welcome to my channel FBqueen Home Decor. If you are new to subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of Home Decor. Today we came up with a new video of TV wall design. We brought 50 plus TV design ideas that will make your home and your wall fabulous. There are many ways to design your TV wall, and the options are limited only by your imagination. Whether you want a sleek and modern look or more traditional and what you feel, there are plenty of ways to make your TV wall work for you. Here are some creative ideas to get you started. A TV wall design can be a great addition to any home. It can add style and personality to any room. There are a few things to keep in mind when creating a TV wall design. First, decide on the overall look you want to achieve. Second, select the right material. Third, consider the size and replacement of your TV. With these tips in mind, you can create a stunning TV wall design that will be the perfect addition to your home. TV wall design have come a long way in the recent years, with many homeowners now opting for sleek and modern design that complement the rest of their decor. If you are looking for some inspiration for your own TV wall, check out the whole video till last. Yes, if you are looking for ways to make your TV wall design pop, look no further. This video will give you many ways to do just that. From choosing the right color to adding interesting textures, there are plenty of ways to make your TV wall stand out. So whether you are looking for a little bit of inspiration or some specific tips, this video is posed for you. This little video inspiration to help you spruce up your living space, you have come to the right place. In this roundup, we have gathered some of the most stunning TV walls design from around the web to help you to create a truly unique space in your home. From chicks and modern design to rustic and farmhouse inspired looks, there is sure to be something here that catches your eye. So, what are you waiting for? Watch the video till end, and if you like this video, give a like thumb button and also share with your friends. Thank you.